Hi, it's me again, JaNee with the Chitchat channel. Yes, and today I want to tell you something about my name, about JaNee. Do you want to know what it means? Wait, I come to that side. JaNee means yes, no. Yeah, in Dutch we say ja if we mean yes and nee if we mean no. Yeah, so JaNee is yes, no in Dutch. Yeah, I like to say yes and I like to say no. And I don't know which one I like more. No. Yes or no. Ja of nee. In JaNee, it's both, so I don't have to choose. Yeah, I have issue with choosing, you know. Yeah, so I came from Holland in the Netherlands. And last year we moved to Meurs. Yeah, with Helen. She's a trainer, you know. Yeah. She's training people to work with a puppet. Yeah, she works online, so we can live anywhere. Yeah, Meurs is nice. Yeah. There are a lot of birds in the sea, and there are lizards and iguanas, and you can windsurf here. I grow my own vegetables. Yeah, I grow my own lettuce. Yeah, really, I do. And now I have my adventures here. Yeah, and some of my BFFs came with me. Yeah, in the same bag. Yeah, because I am a puppet, huh? Yeah, and a puppet always needs someone to put their hand in your head. Yeah, I do. Yeah, I am not real. Yeah, you can call me fake if you want. Yeah, I don't mind. So I think this is enough chit-chatting for today. So in the next video you're gonna meet Meurs. Yeah, bye. And thank you for watching. Bye. Till the next video. Bye. 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 Yeah, I know it is enough. Bye. Bye.